Here is the steering box out of my front engine dragster. It's a P-S Mach production out of Downey, California with a TAK. Don't really know much about it. I couldn't find much on the internet. It's a pretty simple little steering box inside. Well, you can see at this end, this goes to the steering wheel itself. And the steering wheel will turn back and forth. And then that little slot rotates, of course. And on here, there's a pin, and I'm trying to get the right light and focus. Unfortunately, this pin is slightly worn. Not much, but just slightly worn. Anyways, I was having a problem with the steering box where it was jamming. And the steering would actually lock up. And it could go one way really smooth, but it couldn't go the other way smoothly. So now what I've done is cleaned the grease all out, and I'm going to put new grease in here. It's simply just this Lucas red and sticky, or red and tacky. I'm going to put that in here, bolt it all back together again, and put it back on the dragster. Quite certain this will fix it right up.